So good morning friends, welcome to PD classes. Today a very important session for all those who are making their career in RMC, सैनिक स्कूल, मिलिट्री स्कूल. दोस्तों आज के इंटरव्यू सेशन में मैं बहुत से सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगा, बहुत से क्वेश्चन साइंस, ज्योग्राफी से रिलेटेड, हिस्ट्री से रिलेटेड भी पूछूंगा ताकि हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को बेनिफिट मिले जो कॉम्पिटिशन्स में जा रहे हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेलकम मिस्टर अमित राज.
यस सर.
अमित राज, आज आपका थर्ड डे और आज एक्चुअली में तो बच्चे मेरे पास 7 दिन आते हैं पर आपके पास तो टाइम ही नहीं था.
Yes.
तो आपके फादर ने विश्वास कर कर हमारे पास 3 दिन आपको भेजा.
Yes.
तो आपको क्या लगता है तीसरे दिन वाकई में आपके अंदर चेंजेस हैं?
यस सर, ड्रास्टिक चेंज.
वेरी गुड. और मैं चाहता हूँ ये चेंज इतना रहे आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल कि आपका सिलेक्शन जरूर हो RMC में. चलिए फिर मैं हमारे मैथ क्वेश्चंस पे जा रहा हूँ. सबसे पहले मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि आप अपना इंट्रोडक्शन हमें दे दीजिए पहले.
यस सर, श्योर सर. आई एम अमित राज एंड आई एम वेरी मच सिमिलर टू माई नेम. सर, आई एम कॉम्पिटिटिव एंड लव चैलेंजेस सर.
ओके.
माई हॉबी इज टू प्ले फुटबॉल एंड लव मीटिंग न्यू पीपल.
गुड.
I have done recently my 7th class with 93% from St. Joseph School.
ओके.
I belong to Jammu district, which is the birthplace of Lord Mahavir.
राइट.
And sir, as far as my strength are concerned, I am a team spirit and a jovial person, sir.
ओके.
And sir, I don't try to hog all the credit, and I don't like anybody to remain sad in my company, sir.
गुड.
And
So should I go with questioning of subject related
Yes,
also?
sir, sure, sir.
What do you mean by agriculture?
sir, agriculture is the art of raising crops and plants from soil, sir.
Okay. You want to go in RIMC, so definitely your aim must be to become an army officer.
Yes, sir.
Why do you want to be an army officer?
Sir, I want to become an army officer because sir, the life of army is very good, and sir, I love adventurous life,
Okay.
and sir, I mainly got inspired from my uncle who has been serving in Indian Army.
चलिए मैं आज आपके लिए बहुत से सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस लेकर आया हूँ तो उम्मीद है आप ट्राई करेंगे.
Yes, sir.
बताइए फिर which is the oldest fiber?
Sir, the oldest fiber is cotton.
What is temperature?
Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body.
Okay. Which is the device used to measure temperature?
Sir, the device which is used to measure the temperature is thermometer.
What is the normal body temperature of human body?
Sir, the normal body temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius.
At what temperature there is the maximum density of density of water?
4 degrees Celsius, sir.
Okay. What are rational numbers?
Rational numbers are the numbers which is in the form of P by Q, and Q is not equal to 0, sir.
What is conduction?
Conduction is the transfer of heat from a solid from hot region to cold region through no any movement is called conduction.
And what is convection?
Sir, convection is the transfer of heat from one
Part of a substance
to another by the movement of the substance itself.
Okay. What is mixed fraction?
Sir, mixed fraction is the combination of an integer and proper fraction.
Then what is proper fraction?
Sir, proper fraction is the fraction whose denominator is larger from the numerator.
How many types of coal are there?
Sir, there are 4 types of coal on the basis of carbon content.
Name.
Sir, anthracite, lignite, peat and bituminous.
Very good. Do you know about sonar?
Yes sir, sonar is a device which is used to investigate the enemy submarine and sir, the depth of the ocean or sea.
Okay. Tell me the post of Indian Army from top to bottom.
Yes sir, sure sir. First come major,
Okay.
then
First is general.
sorry sir, general,
Okay.
major, lieutenant general,
Yes.
major general,
Okay. Brigadier.
brigadier, colonel,
Colonel.
lieutenant colonel, and major, captain,
Again lieutenant.
and again lieutenant. Yes.
Tell me the spelling of lieutenant.
Lieutenant,
Colonel.
Colonel.
Very good. Who was the first chief of army staff?
Sir, KM Karyappa.
Okay. 5 Great Lakes of North America.
Sir, there are 5 Great Lakes of North America. They are Lake Superior, Lake Huron, Lake Ontario, Lake Erie and Lake Michigan.
Very good. Which is the largest freshwater lake in the world?
Sir, the largest freshwater lake in the world is Lake Superior.
Full form of GPS?
Sir, full form of GPS is Geographical Positioning System.
What is atmosphere?
Atmosphere is the blanket of Earth's surface which surrounds the Earth.
How many layers are there in atmosphere?
Sir, there are 5 layers of
Name them.
atmosphere. Sir, troposphere, stratosphere, thermosphere, exosphere and mesosphere. Yes, sir.
What is the work of atmosphere?
Sir, atmosphere acts as a blanket and acts as a shield which protects the earth from the direct rays of the sun.
Okay. Mukta, please, I give chance
Yes,
to
ma'am.
Mukta, please.
Sure, sir. Suppose you don't get selected, what will you do?
First of all, ma'am, I want to say that if I am confident and if I don't get selected,
Yes.
then I will at least come to know about my weaknesses
Okay.
and work upon it, and I will definitely get selected in army. And
Okay.
ma'am, I believe in try again.
Okay.
Very good. What is humidity?
Sir, humidity is the amount of temperature present in the atmosphere.
Okay. Have you worked about greenhouse effect?
Yes, sir.
You heard about it.
Yes, sir.
Then what is greenhouse effect?
Sir, greenhouse effect is the trapping of heat from the sun rays to keep the earth's surface warm.
Define magnet.
Sir, magnet is an object which attracts the object which is made up of iron, cobalt and nickel.
What is pollination?
Sir, pollination is the transfer of pollen grains from the anther of the flower to the stigma of the same flower or another flower.
How many types of seeds are there?
Sir, there are two types of seeds. They are monocotyledon and dicotyledon.
Okay. Who discovered and named cell?
Sir, Robert Hooke.
Okay. What are unicellular and multicellular organisms?
Sir, unicellular organism are the organism which is made up of only one cell. Example includes amoeba, paramecium, and multicellular organism is made up of more than one cell and have infinite cells, sir.
Very good. What is the use of barometer?
Sir, barometer is used for the atmospheric pressure
To measure atmosphere.
to measure atmosphere.
What is precipitation?
Sir, participation is the
Yes, please convey.
sorry, sir, I don't
It is a water released from clouds in the form of
Yes,
rain, freezing rain, sleet, snow, hail. Okay. Chali, as I asked you about your yourself, I want to know something about your family also.
Sir, I have 5 members in my family.
Okay.
My mother, my father, and my 2 elder sisters.
Okay.
My father is a teacher and he is our head of the family.
Okay.
And my mother is a housewife and my 2 elder sister is studying.
Give me any past example where you have shown your hard work or determination.
Sir, I have shown my hard work and determination when I cracked my RIMC
Okay.
without any preparation because there was a lockdown
Very good.
and for that, sir,
It is not possible for
Yes,
you to
sir.
go other places for years as people
Yes,
are
sir.
preparing for 1 year, 2
Yes.
year, and then they are cracking. That's great. Okay, you stated that you have lot many strengths. Definitely, you must be having some weakness also.
yes, sir.
What is your weakness?
Sir, my area of weakness is that, sir, I got scolded from my parents when, sir, I skipping my lunch during exams, sir.
Okay, so you always do your work in perfect manner.
Yes, sir.
There are so many students waiting outside for the same post of RIMC.
Yes,
Why should I
sir.
select only for you?
Sir, although at present I can't judge the person who are standing in a queue like me, but I can assure you about myself that I am a determined and dedicated person, especially towards my study.
Okay.
Sir, I will gain good marks, study hard, and participate in all school activities. And sir, I will definitely get that at RIMC.
Can you tell me something about Bihar? You belong to Bihar.
Yes, sir. Bihar is a state in East India. The population of Bihar is 40 lakh. Sorry, sir. I forgot, sir.
No problem if you forget the population.
Yes,
Rough
sir.
idea if you know.
Yes, sir. It is the third most populous state in the India.
Okay.
And sir, it is the 12th largest state according to the territory extent.
Okay. And what do you know about your city?
Sir, I belong to Jammu district, which is famous for the Jain temple at Lachwad, where it is considered that Lord Mahavira was born here only, sir.
Okay, very good. So you want to come in RIMC, definitely you don't like your school, present school. They are not teaching well?
No, sir. That's not like.
Not teaching.
No, sir. That's not.
They are teaching.
Yes, sir.
ICSE.
Yes, sir.
It's a good board.
Yes,
I
sir.
agree. Because I myself studied in ICSE
Yes.
only. So what do you think? Why you are changing then? Are you not satisfied with your school?
No, sir. I am satisfied, sir.
Okay.
But sir, my school is good enough, and sir, I am satisfied with its teaching pattern. But sir, I want to become an army officer, and for that I need an environment which will motivate me to join Indian Army and serve my motherland, sir.
Very
And
good.
I will definitely get that at RIM.
Can you tell me when we celebrate our Science Day?
Sorry, sir. I don't know.
28th February. Is it?
Yes, sir.
And there are some other dates of April month
Yes.
or March. There would be a water day, I think, which comes in March,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
isn't it?
Yes, what a day.
So there are lot many dates which you must remember, especially nearby your interviews.
Yes, sir.
They can ask about it.
Yes.
Good. You are good enough, and I hope that these questions would be enough for you. Good.
Yes, sir.
Keep it
Thank
up.
you, sir.
So nice.
Thank you, ma'am.